Hi everyone, I'm Bex, Gemar Talent, and today I'm going to show you a short safety video on how to use the new Gemar product, Time to Shine. So Time to Shine is a product to prevent oxidization. So oxidization is when your balloons take this matte appearance. This is due to direct sunlight or heat. Using Time to Shine will keep your balloons looking better for longer. When you have carried out your display, the first thing you are going to do is add a cotton sheet onto the floor. We recommend a cotton sheet so that it absorbs the product rather than having it lying on top of it. The next thing you're going to do is open all windows and doors to well ventilate the room you are using the product in. Before applying the product, you're going to shake the bottle and you are going to hold it about 20 centimeters away from your balloons. Before you shine your balloons, make sure they're free from any dirt or hair. So you can see the difference here. This balloon has got Time to Shine on, this one hasn't. The difference between the two balloons is massive. Before you carry out your booking, there are a few things that you can do beforehand. One of these is to cover Shine Spray in your terms and conditions. These terms and conditions are going to be sent to every one of your customers, so you need to cover this. You also need to have insurance, just in case for any eventuality something does happen, and you also need to be carrying out your risk assessments. Risk assessments are a crucial part of carrying out a booking. Once you finish shining your display, make sure you leave it 15 minutes before removing the cotton sheet, which will allow the product to finish settling. Thank you for watching. I hope you found that safety video useful. Any questions, please contact Gemar UK.